Alright, what up, y'all? So, this right here, these are the side markers. So I'm about to show you how to put it in there. So you push it back and pull it like that. There you go. Pull it like that. And what you do is you take this piece right here. So let me show you. This piece has the bulb in it. So you take the bulb out and you shove that piece in there like that. Then you connect it in there like that. And then that's how you do it. And then what you want to do is you want to put that piece in there like that. Hold up. Yeah, there you go. And then you slide it back like that. And you know what I'm saying? Then you can do this. Yeah, that look good, don't it? All right, now let me go and do the other side. Hey, y'all. So this is the other one. See the other one? It's the other one on the other side. See them on the other side. It's the other one right here. So this is what we're going to do for this one. All right. Now let me take the plastic off of this. Plastic off. All right, there we go. Look at that. Now, what you want to do is, see that bulb in there? It's for the other side, by the way, but I'm going to explain it again. You take the bulb on the other side. Let me show you. Take the bulb out of there by doing, yeah, this one on there a little bit tighter. And you pull it out. You push back like this. Shoot, hold on. Push back like this, and you pull out. Oh yeah, hold on there tight, boy. There you go. That's how you get it out. Now what you want to do from here, you want to pull this piece, oh, my finger in the way. You want to pull this piece right here where my thumb is at. You pull that piece out, and then I'll show you the next step. Give me a second. All right, so now that you got this piece out, what you want to do is you want to twist. You want to twist this piece where my thumb is holding. You want to twist this out so you can pull the bulb out. So let me show you. All right, so we got it. So what we want to do now is I'm going to show y'all how to twist it. So see if I can set the camera up or something. Y'all see me? All right, so you want to twist it like that and you pull it out. All right, and what you want to do from here, this is trash. You can throw this shit away. This is trash. What you want to do from here is you want to take the bulb and you want to carefully pull it out like that. There you go. You got it out. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to take this piece, all right? You want to make sure it's the right way, all right? So, read the lettering on it. Yeah, it's like this, all right? So, let's take it. You want to push it in here like this. Let me show you. Push this thing all up in there. Make sure it's all the way in there. Pushing it in there. All right, you got it in there like that. You know what I'm saying? Then, when you put it in here, you gotta make sure it's the right way. So, this is this way. So, let me show you. Now, I gotta figure out how to fasten this on one hand. So, y'all gonna have to give me a second, because I don't know where I can set the camera up. So, give me a second. All right, so I got it in there. You see that? I got it in there. Now what you do with this extra wire, you might be wondering. So you throw it back in there, and you push it back in there, just like that. You make sure you ain't touching nothing back there. You push it back in there. Push that piece back in there. Slide it in, and slide it back just like that. See that? That's how you do it. Make sure it's all the way on there. See that? No wiggle. It's all the way on there. Look at that. Yeah, that's how you do it, folks. There you have your side markers. Now, what I'm going to show you is this. This is something you can code into your BMW. But what I have is where it blinks twice. So we're going to show you that. I'm going to turn the hazards on so I can show you. Let me see. Well, that'll work too. See that? That's what we got. Let me come on this side so I can show you. There you go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it so I can see if it'll do the double blink. It's supposed to double blink. So, give me a second. Now that we got it started, you see that? That's the double blink. See from the headlight. See, that's the double blink. That's the double blink right there. That's what you want. You know what I'm saying? But alright, this is all I'm gonna show y'all. Next time I have a little mod, you know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all. But I'll catch y'all later.
JK on the beat, bro. Sides on the track, boy.